going to start by making a really strong foundation, as I said. So how do we do that? Well, I need the yarn to go inside of the sweater, and I'm going to find the end. But before I pull it through, I'm going to make a little slip knot. So just make a little slip knot right there, and I'm going to pull it through. Okay, so from here, we're going to surface crochet right around, and hopefully you can see really clearly, this is round 8. We're going to surface crochet right across it. You can go at the bottom or at the top of it if you want to. I'm choosing to go right down the middle of this round. And to surface crochet, I'm going to reach into the sweater. I'm kind of feeling with my other hand in here to help me. I'm pulling a loop through and I'm doing a slip stitch. Okay, so I'm gonna probably just slip stitch one time for each double crochet and just go over them the way that you see me doing here. Probably just going to do that all the way around, and that's really all there is to it. But what this does is it gives you this base that we're going to crochet our ruffle on in the next step that allows it to sit on top of these slip stitches, and it's not going to pull off of our main sweater as much as if we didn't have it. So just continue doing this surface crochet all the way around, and then when you're done, kind of connect it with a normal slip stitch or connect your last, surface crochet slip stitch, and then just bind off and tuck that other end in.